Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel. And today I just want to give you an update, if you will, of what kind of a channel update. I guess they call them channel updates. I'm going to give you a channel update right now. So I've been super busy. This has been kind of the last couple months have been really busy, but I've done some fun stuff that I want to show you. But I want to tell you what's coming up. So I've got some videos planned. Couple of things, of course, we still get products to review. I've got a couple of those for you that I'll do in the next week or so. But most exciting is I have a great niece, which is my sister's oldest grandchild. Her name is Hadley. Hi, Hadley, if you're watching. Hadley lives in Oklahoma, and I live in Oregon. Well, Hadley's grandma told me that she wanted to learn to make cookies. And so I love cookies, pies and cookies, my two favorite over any kind of other type of dessert. Well, ice cream's good. Can't lie. It would be ice cream, cookies, and pies. That would be my three favorites. But I love making cookies, and Brian loves eating cookies. So I'm going to do a whole series called Cookies for Hadley. And I'm going to start off by making, because this is like foolproof. This is the best way to make cookies. So I'm going to start off by making the cookie mix. Like how you used to, I've done a whole series. I can link to the cookie mix, which I could do, but also just don't worry about it, because down in the description, I'm going to have all of the ingredients of how you can make the cookie mix. This way you can be prepared. However, the first video will be making the cookie mix, but this way you'll know. So I'm going to put the instructions below on how to prepare your cookie mix. And then I'm going to make all of the cookies that I know that can be made with this mix. Then there's a second mix that only makes two types of cookies, but the cookies that it makes are kind of like cakey and soft. I like crispy cookies, but I'll make that for those of you that love it, because I have a friend that just likes soft cookies. So I'll make that too. So there's going to be, over the next few weeks, Tuesdays and Thursdays, I've designated to be the Cookies for Hadley's day. And each one, the first one I'll make the mix. And then after that, I'll do the different cookies. And the coolest thing is, like if you're going to do the sugar cookies, let's just go the sugar cookies. You can add stuff to them. Like there's so many, once you know how to make those with the cookie mix, your mind can just go wild and you can make cool stuff. So that's going to be exciting, and that will be coming up. I'm going to start that next week. And then I've got 2 product reviews. I just received some stuff today that I'm going to show you that are very cool. I like them. I kind of screen when I get the offers on things that I would definitely use. So that's what I'm going to show you. But I want to show you a couple of things I made and what I'm going to be making. And then if you guys are interested, I will do videos of some of these things that I'm making. But for right now, we're traveling. And this summer, we're actually taking, we're going to be gone like 34 days, I think. And the cruise we're on is, I want to say 28 days. But I'm so excited. And of course, I'm going to video this because we're going to be in Norway, Greenland, Iceland, Scotland, England, all the lands. We're going to be all those cool places. But we're going to have one whole day in Rotterdam. I'm excited because my friend Tina, who is a chef, said when you go, you got to find cheese shops because the cheese over there is amazing and I love cheese. So definitely I'm going to do that. And also I got a new little doodad to do some geocaching, and I looked. There's geocaches in all of these places too. And one of the things I like about it, it's fun to just go find it. If you don't know what geocaching is, I'll put a link down in the description so that you can go check it out. You can get a free account. I had free for years. The annual one is like 30 or 40 bucks or something for the whole year. And you get access to different geocaches. But it's very fun because I have learned so much from these geocaches, because a lot of times it'll take you to a destination or a location, and then it tells you the history of where you're at. And then you got to find a little thing and sign it, which is fun. But so I've got that lined up, and I will do videos of that, and that will be we're in June. So that'll be at the end of next month is when we start. And so that's kind of cool. But I want to show you a couple of the things I made. You guys know I love sewing and machine embroidery. I'm also do crochet and a few things like that. And I've made a couple really cool tops, crocheted tops. But this is what I just finished yesterday because, I'm a patriotic girl. When I travel, I want to have my little patriotic stuff with me because this is the America's 250 I'm very excited about. So this is a design by Sweet Pea Embroidery, Machine Embroidery Designs. And it's like a round duffel bag. It's like a duffel. See there? And on the ends, I have, well, it's not square. There you go. It's a round bag. And then on the end, look at here. So I have this net on this end. There's a net pocket on this end. And it has regular handles. See there? It also has where I can carry it like this. And inside, the top of it is great. The top of it has a double zipper. And when I go in here, in there, it's all lined in red. And then on one end, it even has a denim pocket. So I'm excited to use this. This will be my carry-on the plane. I'm going to have to take some stuff because it's like an 11-hour flight. So that'll be fun. Anyway, so this is a cute bag. I just finished this yesterday. And you can see that the quilting that I've done is all in red, white, and blue variegated threads. So that turned out super cute. I am excited about this bag. So this is my carry-on. And then the other thing is I get a little obsessed with making sure I've got all the paperwork and I've got all the copies of everything. And we have our passports and stuff. And for years, I carried them around in a 2-gallon Ziploc bag. And we even called that my baggie of paperwork. It's like my travel bag. But I didn't like the idea of just pulling this big bag out with all the paperwork because we have our passports and stuff. So I wanted to make something that's cute that I can hang over like the handle of my rolly bag and know that it's there. And then I can also just fold this up and put it in my little travel bag. So I made this. This is another Sweet Pea design. But see how cute? And then inside it's lined. And see, I already have our paperwork in there. So, and it's got pockets. It's got a big pocket back here that I have our passports in. But this way, it's my bag. And I know what's in there and I have it. So this one, I even put the little handmade button on. But that turned out, I think, super cute. Now, that's my travel stuff. Now I'm working on decorating. I love to decorate the front porch. I've got little American flags. And I went to the Dollar Tree and they have these solar lights that look like ornaments almost. They had clear ones. Green, yellow, blue, and red. And so I got the red, white, and clear. White, the white is clear, and the blue and red. And so from where the flags stick up on the deck railing, I put the little glow balls or the little solar lights underneath. It's going to look so cute. But today, what I'm making right now is I'm making this super cute bunting. There's like 5 of each of those because I decorate my China hutch, and those will go across the front of the hutch. So I'm going to make those. That's today. And then Kimberbell has this super cute, it's like little bottles. See, it's like this. There it is, like that. And it's like little, this is made out of vinyl, clear vinyl. And so they look like glass little bottles and with little pinwheels on the top that are so cute. And there's even a pattern for an actual like 3D, 3-dimensional pinwheel that's going to be so cute. And I think what I'm going to do is put that on this canvas tote because I think it would be adorable for my going to the farmer's market on Wednesdays. I think that would be cute. So that's in my plans. The other thing is the monthly Perfectly Pieced. I get 3 different kits from Kimberbell. Perfectly Pieced, Hoop Studio, and the digital, the Bella box, which only comes out twice a year. But this is from April of 2024. The Perfectly Pieced is an American flag. And I love that because here's the 4 things you can make. This quilt, basically you can make a quilt. You can put all these together. But that's a cute tote. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the 6x6 project, which is that one. I'm going to do that because I have these cute little square embroidery hoops, and I'm going to put that in there, and then I'm going to set that on my little easel, and that will go in my China hutch with the banner hanging above it. Super cute. So that is on my list for today. And then the last thing I'm going to try to get to. This is called Main Street Celebration Bench Pillow. Now these are 16x38, another Kimberbell thing. And you can buy this as a digital download. And then I print the instructions. And so it's different. I need to get this colored some sort of blue fabric so that it looks like not dark blue, but like, so more like a night sky. But it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wider, see, wider squares, and then 2 little skinny ones that go on the ends right there. And so they're so cute. Look at that. The detail that they have on these is amazing. And they look at the firehouse. They're so cute. So I hope to get this one done and then I can show you guys. But this one also comes with a whole embellishment kit that I got. It's so nice. Looky, there's even a little button that looks like a little dog to put in the firehouse window. But see this? These are little twinkle lights. Why do you have those? Because you can turn your pillow on. So see, I don't know if you can see really close. I'll put my finger right there, that little white light. See these little white lights like that one and that one and that one? Those are little tiny holes that are made by your machine so that you can poke the little twinkly lights on. Then you can turn your pillow on and the fireworks will twinkle. Oh my goodness, I need this on my couch. So I'm hoping to get to that. The other thing I am definitely going to get to too in the next, I'm hoping by Monday, I will be done with all these. And my videos. I'm going to do a couple videos this weekend and this. So this is adorable. This is the monthly kit called Hoop Studio. I get this every month and it comes with all of the fabric that you need, everything you need. It even comes with accessories. Look at this cute little ladder. And this one will make these two. It comes, see, it even had the paper, the towels, the little gingham. Oh, so cute. I suppose I said cute a lot, didn't I? It's my word of choice when I talk about projects. So sorry, but see there, it's this adorable pie, and then the cute, the lovely strawberries. See there? I think that's going to look great on my hutch. So I will have the little embroidery American flag thing, and then this, the Sweet Land of Liberty little tea towel, and then the bunting. So that is the inside of what I'm decorating right now, and I've got to get busy making these things because I feel like the summer, I was just telling a couple of my YouTube friends, to me summer is red, white, and blue season. So I can decorate in June and I don't need to worry about it all summer because to me it is just red, white, and blue season. So that's good. I'm going to get these put up and then they'll last until we get back, and we're not leaving without leaving someone here at the house. So that's going to be awesome. So I won't have to worry about Snickers. I won't have to worry about our house. All I can worry about is having a good time with Brian on this amazing cruise that we're going to. We're actually going to do the Northern Europe, and it is a solar eclipse cruise. So we will be out in the middle of the ocean during the solar eclipse. So I think this is going to be a great summer. And then we've got a couple cruises that we're going to do after that I will take you guys on. But for now, this is the plan. This is what's going forward. And I do appreciate all of you who watch my videos. And if there's anything particular that you would like to see, let me know as far as cooking or crafting or sewing projects. If there's something, I know a couple people have said, I saw this thing online. Can you show me how to make it? I'm happy to do it. As long as I know how. I love to share knowledge and help people learn, especially when it comes to things in the kitchen and in the craft room. I love it. It's my life. So anyway, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.